This is question number 5 from GS paper 1 of mains 2021 examination. Question is, despite India being one of the countries of Gondwana land, its mining industry contributes much less to its gross domestic product in percentage. Discuss. In the answer to this question, I have first told India's connection with supercontinent Gondwana land. What percentage of GDP of India is contributed by mining industry? And next, I have enlisted factors or causes for underdevelopment of mining industry due to which contribution of this sector to India's GDP is much less. Now let's read the answer. About 100 million years ago, India separated from mineral-rich supercontinent Gondwana land. South America, Africa, Australia were also part of Gondwana land. Mining industry contributes 2.2% to 2.5% of GDP of Indian economy. In other Gondwana land countries like Australia, mining contributes 10.9%. In Brazil, mining contributes 16.8% to GDP. In Madagascar, mining contributes 4% of GDP. Despite being rich in various types of minerals, India's mining industry contributes much less to its GDP. Several factors are responsible for it. One is the procedural delays in allocation of mines and environmental clearance. Next is lack of infrastructure in mining area. Mining is another thing is that mining is a capital intensive industry. Lack of capital has also remained a reason for underdevelopment of mining industry. Next is not using advanced technology in mining. Another factor is judicial interventions over environmental issues, illegal mining, corruption in allocation of mines, etc., cause delays and loss to mine operators. For example, in 2018, Supreme Court cancelled 88 illegal mining leases in Goa. Another thing is mining sector has to deal with issues of displacement, compensation for resettlement, resistance by locals, environmental issues, human rights issues, etc. Another factor is that India's mineral resources have not been properly assessed. A number of mineral rich areas are yet to be explored and assessed for their potential for development of mining industry. In India, there is need to address above mentioned issues. National Mineral Policy of 2019 has been aimed at to increase investment and output of mining industry. Thank you.